Hello, my little ones. Do you remember?
What did we learn in our last session?
We have revised our alphabet A and B with jolly phonic songs. And we also learned how to make standing line and what is standing line. First, we will revise our jolly phonic songs.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
So today we will revise our standing line with objects and worksheet.
Here I have pens. Pens are also an example of standing line. Here I have 3 candies. Orange candy, chocolate candy and pineapple candy. अरे कैंडी की स्टिक्स कहाँ गई? Here. Candy sticks are also an example of standing line. Here we have flowers. Flower की sticks भी standing line जैसी ही है. So, this is an example of standing line.
It's time for worksheet solution.
In this worksheet, you had to join the dots with crayons and color it. I have colored this apple with red and green. I know you have also colored it nicely. This is a worksheet of alphabet B. B for ball. In this worksheet, you had to join the dots with crayons and color it. I have colored this ball with orange. I know you have also colored it nicely. In this worksheet, first we will trace the standing line in the pencils and then we will color the pencils. So first, let's start tracing. We will start from the top. Okay? Go down straight, 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 straight and stop. Again, start from the top. Go down straight, 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 straight and stop. Now in second pencil, start from the top and go down straight. Start from the top and go down straight. And last pencil. Start from the top and go down straight, 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 straight. Yes. Last line. ऊपर से शुरू करेंगे और नीचे सीधा जाएंगे। Top to bottom. Okay. Now we will color the pencils. I have colored these pencils with red, yellow and green. I hope you have also colored it nicely. Now we will make our standing lines on the dotted lines already given. So let's start making our standing line. Here we have to start from the red line, first red line. Okay. So start from the first red line, go down to the second blue line. First blue line तक नहीं, second blue line तक लेना है. Again start from the red line, go down straight to the second blue line. One more time. Start from the red line, go down straight to the second blue line and stop. देखो बच्चों, ये सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन से यहाँ रेड लाइन तक भी हमें नहीं करना है, सिर्फ सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक. अगेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन एंड गो डाउन straight. One more time. Start from the red line and go down straight. रेड लाइन से शुरू करेंगे, नीचे सीधा जाएंगे सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक. अगेन रेड लाइन से शुरू करेंगे, सीधा नीचे जाएंगे सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द red line, go down straight to the second blue line. Again you have to also say top to bottom, top to bottom. Start from the red line and go down straight to the second blue line. Start from the red line and go down straight to the second blue line. In the end, we have to join the upper dot with the lower dot to make standing line. अब हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो ऊपर जो डॉट दिया है उसको ये नीचे वाले डॉट से ज्वाइन करना है. देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे भी हमारा फर्स्ट डॉट कहाँ है, रेड लाइन के ऊपर. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन एंड गो डाउन स्ट्रेट एंड ये डॉट को टच करेंगे. अभी देखो हमारा ये डॉट कहाँ दिया है, सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर. यहां से नीचे हम नहीं जाएंगे. अगेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द first red line and go down straight. Yes. ऊपर से नीचे सीधा, ऊपर से नीचे सीधा. Start from the first red line and go down straight, second blue line तक and stop. अगेन डॉट से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, ऊपर से शुरू करेंगे, सीधा नीचे जाएंगे. ओके, एंड सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक. अगेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप एंड गो डाउन स्ट्रेट. टॉप टू बॉटम, top to bottom. Red line to second blue line. Red line to second blue line. Top to bottom. See, I have completed my worksheet. I hope you all have completed your worksheet nicely.
So kids, tell your mama to give you slate or any paper and make standing lines. Okay? And enjoy your day. Bye bye.